Crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make origami carp streamers, or Koinobori in Japanese. So what these are windstocks that are used during National Children's Day in Japan to celebrate children. But before we begin, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. I post a new video every single week. Would love for you to join me. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the carp streamer, you're going to need 3 sheets of paper, a chopstick, some ribbon, tape, some thread, and also a pair of scissors to cut the thread. Oh, and also a marker to draw in the little fish features. To make one of the carps, you're going to take your first square sheet of paper, flip it around so that the pattern is facing down towards the table away from you, and then fold the entire thing in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold. Align this side to the horizontal center crease that you just made. We're going to make a nice little point on the right side. Rotate and repeat the same thing on this side. So we're going to fold it diagonally to the horizontal crease that we made and then crease it in. Unfold. And now let's do the same thing in this direction. So we're going to take this line over here and align it to the center. Unfold, rotate, repeat the same thing on this side. And unfold. So now let's fold the entire thing in half, but not all the way. We're just going to do a pinch fold at the top. So just go here and just give it a little pinch. Do the same thing at the bottom. We're going to pinch right over here. And then unfold. And now using the folds that we just made, we're going to kind of push the bottom right and bottom left sides upwards like this. And you'll see that there is a little triangle on the side jutting out. So you want to take that triangle, you're going to bring it over to the left side and flatten it. And now we have that little fin. Rotate and repeat the same thing on this side. So again, we're going to push up on the right, up on the left until this triangle is exposed, and then we're going to take this triangle and fold it over down on the left side and flatten. And now we have our second fin. So now let's fold the entire thing in half. And then you want to take one of the fins and we're going to fold it diagonally just like this. And that's going to create the fin that kind of protrudes from the body. So there's the first one. We're going to flip it around and do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally on a vertical line, just like that. So now we're going to work on his head. We're going to open him up from the top, just slightly like that. And then take the left side and we're going to fold all the way to the right side, right about where the center line is. Doesn't have to be exact. If you fold it more, he'll have a shorter head. If you fold it less, he'll have a longer head. And then we're going to refold the fold that we did earlier, like this. Now let's work on his little tail. For his little tail, we're going to open slightly from the top, and then pull this up, and like that. I'm going to angle it, and then flatten. So you're just going to squeeze it like this with your left hand while kind of making a sharp point with your right hand, and then flattening. Now let's draw in the features of our little fish. So we're going to make 3 of these, and then I'm going to grab my chopstick over here. And also I pre-cut some embroidery thread. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take each one of these and tie a knot along the chopstick. So now I'm going to grab a piece of tape and then grab 2 ends of the first embroidery thread put them together like this. And then open up one of the fishies and align the thread right at the center. And then taping it down. And I'm going to close up the fish again. That's the first one. I'm going to put the other ones on as well. And to add a finishing touch, I'm going to add a couple of strands of ribbon right on the top. And your carp streamer is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy that. If you would like to see more crafty fun videos in the future, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new fun videos when they come out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!